So good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
Yes. So let us start our class. This is your science class. Yes, all of you are ready now? Okay. Okay. So we will actually we have done the chapter. No chapter we have done. Okay, we have done the explanation of the chapter number 6. After that, there you are having the term 1 exam. No, chapter 6 we will do. Chapter 6 exercise. Okay, we have already done some of the portion of the exercise. Today, I will continue with the rest of the portion. I think we have done, how far we have done? We have done up to, I think, very short answer question. Yes or no? Very short answer question we have done. So, so, so we will continue. We'll continue from the short answer question. I have written here, see here, chapter 6, soil. I have written there, exercise. Okay. So we will do the short answer question. Short answer question. Okay. Question number 1 now. Okay, before starting, all of you will have your book with you. You must have your science textbook with you and your science copy. You will write your answer in the copy, okay? So this is from page number 36. Page number 36 in your science book, okay? Chapter number 6, soil. So first question is, what is soil erosion? What is soil erosion? So we'll write there what is soil erosion. All of you are prepared now? Shubhanga, Shomili. Okay. Yes, very good. So what is soil erosion? Write down the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind, rain, and river water. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind, rain, and river water is called soil erosion. Is called soil erosion. You will underline soil erosion. Okay, understood? Okay. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind, rain, and river water is called soil erosion. Okay. And please mute, everybody will mute your microphone. Everybody will mute your microphone. Please, some sound is coming. Okay. Now question number 2. What is weathering?
soil erosion টা লিখি।
Okay, please mute your microphone. All of somebody has not mute. Please mute your microphone. Yes. Thank you. What is weathering? Now next question, question number 2 is what is weathering? Okay? Now write down big pieces of okay, mute me. Somebody has not mute the microphone. Please mute your microphone. Everybody will mute the microphone. Mute your own microphone. Okay, I am dictating as well as I am writing on the board. No worry, no problem you will have. Okay? Shoham Mondali, okay, I am here. I am present now. Okay. Big pieces of rocks break down big pieces of rocks break down into tiny pieces. Big pieces of rocks break down into tiny pieces by the heat of the sun moving air and running water. Big pieces of rocks break down into tiny pieces by the heat of the sun, moving air, and running water. Full stop. This process is called. What is this process called? Can anyone tell me? This process is called weathering. Weathering, yes, Srijita. Weathering. Yes, very good. You will underline weathering, okay? Big pieces of rocks break down in tiny pieces by the heat of the sun, moving air, and running water. This process is called weathering. Okay, now coming to the next question, let me see the question. Question number 3. Pratyush is a forest officer who not only protects trees from being cut but also plants a tree regularly and gives them proper care. So Pratyush is a forest officer. You know, he is taking the charge of the forest. Okay. Who not only protects the trees from being cut but also plants a tree regularly and gives them proper care. So now the question is, what is the question? What is the question? Question is number A. How does deforestation promote soil erosion? Let me write this one. 3A. How does deforestation promote soil erosion? How does deforestation promote soil erosion? So let us write the answer. write down deforestation promote soil erosion. What soil erosion? Because when, so what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation means because when because deforestation, what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Okay, so when you cut down trees, what will happen? The soil will become loose, because you know the roots of the trees, they hold the soil tightly, they bind the soil. Okay, when it is cut, soil will become loose and it will be blown away by the wind and the water. So soil erosion will occur. So deforestation promotes soil erosion because when trees are cut down, in the bracket you will write, that is deforestation. When trees are cut down, that is deforestation. When trees are cut down, that is deforestation. The soil will become loose as roots of trees hold the soil tightly, hold the soil tightly. Okay, when trees are cut down, that is deforestation, the soil will become loose as roots of trees hold the soil tightly, and then soil will be blown away. Soil will be blown away by wind and water, and then soil will be blown away by wind and water. Thus, soil erosion will occur. Okay, this is the answer. Deforestation promotes soil erosion because when trees are cut down, that is deforestation, the soil will become loose as roots of trees hold the soil tightly, and then soil will be blown away by wind and water. Thus, soil erosion will occur. Okay. Okay. This answer, you will write this answer. Okay. Now we will go to the next question, question number 4. Okay. We will do the question number 4 now. So I will rub number 1. I think all of you have completed number 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are doing short answer question, that is E. Question number 4. How is soil valuable for us?
So number B.
See, number B, look here, B is your value based question, means value corner question. No need of doing this one. We have not done any question from this value corner. Okay, I will discuss this one. No need of writing in your copy. Just a discussion. What can we learn from Pratyush? So Pratyush is a forest officer. What he thinks, he protects the trees and the plants from being cut down, and also he is planting the tree and gives them proper care. What will help? Because this will help to conserve the soil. Means when trees are, I have told you, when trees are cut down, soil will become loose and it will be carried away by wind and water and promote soil erosion. So when trees are planted, there will be no soil erosion, soil will be conserved, and there will be less pollution. Pollution will be less, because you know trees actually purify the air. Trees, they are taking the carbon dioxide for their making their food, and also they give us oxygen. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, no need of doing this one. This is just a discussion. Now we will go to number 4. How is soil valuable for us? All of you understood what I have told you? Soumili, Supratik, Sourish. Okay. Now question number 4, write down. The answer you write down. Soil is a very important and valuable natural resource. Very important and valuable natural resource. Plants grow in the soil some animals like rabbits, earthworms, and ants live in the soil. Okay, so what is the answer? I will repeat this answer. Soil is a very important and valuable natural resource. Plants grow in the soil. Some animals like rabbits, earthworms, and ants live in the soil. So this is completed. Now we will write the last question. We will also write this one. Then I will end the class. Question number 5. How do trees help to protect soil? See, this is just bit same as you have written question number 3A. Same as 3A. Okay, I will write this one. So before writing, I will rub question number 2. I think all of you have completed. Supratik, Shubhanga, Soumili. All of you have completed question number 2. I think what is weathering. So I'll rub this one. Okay. So next question is question number 5. How do trees help to protect the soil? How do trees help to protect soil? Okay, write down now. Trees help to protect the soil because roots of the trees hold the soil tightly. Trees help to protect the soil because roots of the trees hold the soil tightly, and so soil cannot be blown away, by wind and water. Thus, they prevent soil erosion. Okay, so I'll repeat the answer. How do trees help to protect the soil? Trees help to protect the soil because roots of the trees hold the soil tightly, and so soil cannot be blown away by wind and water. Thus, they prevent soil erosion. Thus, they prevent soil erosion. Okay, so this is your answer. So answer is completed. We have completed short answer question. All the 5, 1 to 5 we have completed. So next day we will do the long answer question. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you will learn the question answer. I think we are all learning. Okay, before going, all of you will give your attendance. Before going, all of you will give your attendance.